Welcome to our hotel. In this demonstration, we will show how hotel employees can respect guests with different religious practices. We will focus on food choices and how proper communication can make guests feel comfortable and respected. Let us begin with our first guest, who has specific dietary requirements based on his Muslim faith. First, we have a Muslim guest who wants to make sure that the hotel he orders follows halal requirements. The server will listen carefully and coordinate with the kitchen before recommending a meal.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to our hotel restaurant. May I ask your order? Halal. Thank you, ma'am. I will ask my staff. Dania, do you check if there is halal ingredients?
Yes, we have halal options available. We can also check the ingredients of the dishes before serving it.
Thank you, ma'am. We have still available halal.
Yes, please. Thank you. I appreciate your respect.
You're very welcome. We want our audience to feel comfortable and respected.
I will make sure that the appropriate meal is prepared and that the ingredients are properly checked.
The first scene shows that respecting a guest's religious practices can be simple as listening carefully, checking the food, and giving the guest confidence that their request is being respected. The next is we have a Hindu guest. Some Hindu guests may avoid beef because of their religious beliefs. The hotel employee should not assume the guest preferences, but should also politely ask and provide suitable choices.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Hotel Restaurant. May I take your order?
Before I order, may I ask what ingredients are in your meals? I prefer not to eat beef because of my religious beliefs.
Once again, the server communicates with the kitchen to make sure the guest receives a meal that matches the request.
Dania, could you tell us which meal do not contain beef?
Yes, we have several vegetarian dishes and other meals that do not contain beef.
You're welcome. We respect the guests' preferences and we want to our guests experience comfortable.
Thank you so much.
These scenes show importance of asking questions and respecting individual religious practices. Good hospitality means making every guest feel welcome, understood, and comfortable. Through these two situations, we learn that religious differently should be respected in the hospitality industry. Hotel employees should communicate clearly, avoid assumptions, and work together to provide appropriate food choices. By doing this, we can create a welcoming experience for every guest.